if you want to remove SIM card from Nothing Phone 3A Pro, first you need to prepare the pin tool for ejecting SIM trays. At the bottom of the phone you will find the SIM tray over here, and we need to use this hole. More precisely, we need to insert the pin tool into that hole and then just push it in. Use a little bit of force, you don't have to use too much, just enough so that the SIM tray pops out a little bit. And use your fingers or fingernails to remove the SIM tray. There we go. Of course, over here we have our SIM cards. So now we need to try to bend it somewhat, just a little bit, gently, so that we can remove our SIM cards. Now, if you have two SIM cards inserted, then it is a little bit harder to do so, because obviously we cannot really push it from one or the other, but you should be able to eventually remove the SIM cards, all your SIM cards that you have. And of course, insert the SIM tray back into its place with your finger. Just push it in, make sure that it is fully in, it doesn't stick out or anything, to avoid damaging the phone. And that's all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!